Text message. Okay, so the text message is to the point. Hi, name. Hey, Robert, or hi, Robert. It's Kelly with Valley Home Search / Best Homes Real Estate. We always want to put our brokerage name. I noticed you viewed the house on 1234 East Maple Street, smiley face. I can show it to you today or tomorrow or Wednesday. Which day works for you better? So if, let's say, for example, they signed up early in the morning, you can say, I'd show it today. If they signed up like at 5 or 6 o'clock in the evening, you can say, I can show it to you tomorrow or Wednesday. Which day works for you better? So take a look at this text. What are you guys noticing in this text?
You're asking an open-ended question. Saying,
That's right.
Saying, when can I show it to you, rather than can I show it to you?
Exactly.
Can I show it to you is closed-ended. It's a yes or no answer.
Correct. Correct. I can show it to you today or tomorrow or Wednesday, right? I'm taking the initiative, right? I can show it to you, because ultimately, what does the buyer really wants to do? They want to see the house, right? Okay, and we're just getting to the point. Hey, we're gonna, I can show it to you today or tomorrow.
You're providing value. You're telling them what you can do.
Correct. Correct. We're not beating around the bush. Okay, we're not saying, hey, how can I help you? Tell me number of bedrooms or bathrooms that you're looking for. All of those things you can find out afterwards. You're going point to the point. Hey, I saw you looking at this house. I can show it to you today or tomorrow or Wednesday. Which day works for you better? Now, you can do the same thing if, let's say, they're looking in a specific city, right? Same text. I noticed you were viewing houses in Phoenix. I can show you a couple of homes today or tomorrow, Wednesday. Which day works for you better? If they don't have a specific house that they looked at, or you see they're looked at maybe 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, 9 houses, okay, and you don't know which one they like this one is probably the one that is going to have like multiple views, like 2, 3, 4, 5 views. And you guys know how to look at the views, right? See how many times they looked at the home, right? You can do that. But this one right here is, if you see there are like 5 or 6 or 7 homes in Phoenix or Glendale, use that. Again, this right here can be canned, guys. This can be, you can use your notes. If you're using iPhone, put it in the notes. That's your text. Every time you're getting a new lead, okay, you copy, paste, change the address or change the city, send. Literally will take you 5 seconds. So every time you're making a phone call and you follow up with a second phone call and they're not answering, okay, you do the video, and if still not responding, then you do a text.